Ube Halaya. If you've ever tasted it, you get it. That velvety, sweet, nutty, and texturally perfect dessert, it's basically the best thing to ever happen to purple yams. And the magical part? It's ridiculously easy to make. Let's start with the star of the show, ube. Not to be confused with taro or purple sweet potatoes, ube is straight from the Philippines. Its color? That deep, Instagram-worthy purple. Its taste? Subtly sweet and undeniably unique. Kind of like the dessert equivalent of a soulful tune. A common pain point with making ube halaya is, well, finding ube. If you aren't in a city with a big Filipino population, it can feel like tracking down a unicorn. Pro tip: frozen grated ube from Asian markets works perfectly. Don't stress. Okay, here's how we do it. 5 essential ingredients: 2 cups of grated ube, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, half a cup of butter, and sugar if you're feeling extra sweet. Simple? Yes. Easy to mess up? Also, yes. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start by melting your butter in a deep, non-stick pan over medium heat. This step is so underrated. Butter sets the tone. It's like the bass line in a song. Everyone notices if it's bad. Get it melted evenly before adding anything else. Once your butter is dreamy and golden, add the grated ube. Stir it for about 5 minutes. Here's the thing. Ube needs heat to release that earthy nuttiness hiding beneath its sugary vibes. Skipping this step? Recipe killer. Don't do it. Next, lower the heat and pour in your condensed milk and evaporated milk. Tip: stir constantly or it will cling to the bottom like it's holding on for dear life. You'll know it's working because the mixture becomes gorgeously creamy and thick. After about 10 minutes of stirring, yeah, your arm might hate you for this, start noticing the texture. It should be thick enough to coat your spoon, but not brick thick. If it feels like cement, you've gone too far. Add a splash of milk to fix it. Taste check time. Sweet enough? The ube and condensed milk are usually a match made in dessert heaven. But if you're missing the sugar high, now's the time to sprinkle in a tablespoon or 2. Stir until it's all friends. This part of the process is a workout. I won't lie. Stir constantly for another 15 to 20 minutes until the mixture no longer sticks to the sides of the pan. Consider this your Zen moment. Put on some music, stir, channel your inner chef. Once cooked, transfer it into containers while still warm. Pro tip: grease the containers lightly with butter to make it pop out easily later. Let it cool, and bam! It's ready to chill in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight. The end result? A beautiful, glossy tub of ube halaya. Serve it cold or warm it up a bit. Eat it solo on top of halo halo alongside vanilla ice cream, or spread on toast if you're feeling bold. It's like purple gold for your taste buds. The best part about this? 1 batch of ube halaya can last a week, unless you eat it in 2 days, which, let's be real, happens. As someone who's accidentally spooned through half a tub while standing in front of the fridge, I get it.